What's up guys? Today just wanted to talk to you real quick about these Klein Tool Allen wrench sets. I live and work out of this converted van and have been for about the last 4 years, and I really depend on small lightweight tools that really hold up, and I can say these have been holding up really nicely. I've probably had these for about 2 years now, and there's really no wear and tear on them. As you can see, they work just like brand new. They're not bent, nothing like that. So they really stand the test of time, or have so far, and I've really been enjoying them. I have a lot of Allen wrench accessories in the van and find a lot of need for these, so the fact that they're holding up so well says a lot. In this kit you get a standard set and a metric set, which is really handy because if you've worked with Allen wrenches before, invariably you're going to have a different sizing on them. You also can see here that they labeled them really nicely. You can easily tell which Allen wrench you need and can find it really easy. They also pull out really nicely. They hold pretty well, but you can also tighten them right here. Just take a Phillips head and tighten that up if you want them to hold a little bit more, be a little bit looser. But overall, would highly recommend these. They've been working for me for a while, and I think they are a great Allen wrench set for anyone. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.